Unboxing of the, I call it the Xiaomi M1A1 from Kogan. Took about a week from order to delivery from Australia Post on the postie bike. I don't know if I was, too excited with it rattling around in the postie bike, but there you go. That's how it came. And because there's it's from India or wherever they come from, they've got an overseas charger. So Kogan throw in an Australian one. So that's good. So just on the Australian one, just be careful. The last time, this is the second Xiaomi that we've got. The last time we had one of these adapters exactly the same, and we put it in and switched it on, and sparks flew out of there and it sort of just blew itself up. So I'd pretty timid on putting this one in the PowerPoint, but I'll get the wooden spoon out and we'll turn them on later. So let's see, fun and games there. Okay, let's get some scissors and get this little sucker open. Okay, let's try and squeeze him down there. So as far as I know, these were released back in September 2017. Now, I could stand to be corrected. I wasn't really preparing to give stats like that. This is just a simple unboxing, but it's got Android 1, which as far as I know is just a sort of like a vanilla edition of the Android, keeping in line with their dessert versions as well. Now, how does this slide out? Oh, here we go. Gonna slide him out. So, like a little see-through box there. Got a couple of things on the back there. Nothing exciting. Oh, maybe I'll get some stills of all this later. Okay. So let's have a little smell. Doesn't smell like apple. Wait till we undo this, and we'll capture the smell straight away. No. No. Just a plasticky sort of smell. All right. So there we go. So we'll just pop him out. So it's got a nice little plastic cover so the screen doesn't get damaged. So this is the black one. Looks pretty nice actually. The other one we got was a rose gold. Fingerprint sensor, back cameras, flash. I don't know all that stuff there is. I'll suss that out later. But yeah, so that's there. What else have we got in the box? Probably just the usual adapter that we can't use because we're not in India or wherever, China, wherever they come from. Right, we got the USB cord, come in handy, and some little instructions. And there is the adapter. So if I ever go to India, I'll be set for a USB adapter. And that's about it. Where is the SIM key? It's right at the bottom, I see. Right down there. Just the normal standard old SIM ejection key. So that's pretty standard. So actually I might take that out now because that was hidden. I've got about 100 of those anyway. And that's it. There we go. Let's see if there's any power in it. How do we turn him on? There's the on button. Have we got power? Oh, yep. There we go. See how long that takes to... See how much battery is in that, actually. Interesting. I think the iPhone, when I got my iPhone, came with about 70% from what I remember. Let's see, this is first boot. I don't know if this is taking any longer than normal because it is first boot. And... Come on, little fella. You can do it. You can do it. So it's not a bad looking screen. You guys know all the specs. Well, you can get the specs off the internet anyway. It's just a welcome. Oh, the battery is a little bit low. Might have to charge him up in a sec. But yeah, there we go. Hope you enjoyed the Xiaomi unboxing MA1.